For the best price, click the link in the description. I'm sure many of you have heard about the Instant Pot Lux Steamer, a multifunctional electric pressure cooker that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience with its advanced features and sleek design. \n. But here's what surprised me when I started using it: the lack of steam functionality \n. Therefore, today I'll be sharing my honest review of the Instant Pot Lux Steamer, where we'll dive into its pros and cons, highlighting the issues that even the most enthusiastic reviewers tend to gloss over. Are you ready? \n. Deep dive! The Instant Pot Lux Steamer comes with a 6-quart capacity pot, a microprocessor, and various accessories such as a steam basket, egg mold, and utensils. \n. However, I noticed that this product is often compared to the standard Instant Pot models, which have more features at a lower price point. Therefore, it's essential to weigh the benefits of this specific model before making a purchase. \n. For instance, the Lux Steamer boasts a safer and more intuitive user interface, but some users find the display confusing, especially for those who are new to pressure cooking. \n. Moreover, the steam function is often touted as one of the product's main selling points, but I found that it doesn't perform any better than a regular pot on low heat. In fact, the results were quite underwhelming. \n. Resolution. So why am I telling you not to buy the Instant Pot Lux Steamer? Well, let me put it this way. If you're looking for an electric pressure cooker with advanced features and sleek design, there are better options out there. The problem lies in its inability to deliver on some of its key promises. \n. But don't just take my word for it. You can check out the links in the description for more reviews from other users who have had similar experiences. \n. The Instant Pot Lux Steamer is a decent product, but it's not worth the premium price tag when you consider the mediocre performance and limited functionality. My advice: look elsewhere. There are plenty of excellent electric pressure cookers on the market that won't break the bank. \n. Call to action. For those who have made up their minds and want to give the Instant Pot Lux Steamer a try, I recommend checking out the best price on Amazon by clicking the link in the description. It's your wallet that will thank you. \n.